Hi friends, in this tutorial I want to show you how to add a rain on your images in Photoshop in the fastest way. Stay with me and let it rain. I picked this image from pexels.com, link in the description as usual. We have a couple in a rainy day without rain. Let's sum up. First thing is to create a new empty layer and change the blend mode to screen. Now let's change the foreground layer to white, the background black. Go to filter, render, fibers. I prefer around 20 for the bold fields, but depends on your image. Click OK. And as we see, we have some glitches on the edge of the image. Let's select the layer and with Ctrl Command T, let's increase a little bit and let's add some angle on the rain. Maybe something like this. Okay. Now let's create a new levels adjustment layer and make some adjustments with the blacks and a little less white. And don't forget to clip the layer to affect only the layer below. Let's close this panel. Now let's convert this layer to smart filter and add some motion blur. Go to filter, blur and motion blur. Change the angle of the motion to match the angle of fibers. Something like this. Click OK. And we're almost done. Of course, we can make some adjustments because we have a adjustment layer with the levels and we have a motion blur on a filter. Maybe change the distance or angle to make the perfect rain. Let's see before and after. I think the rain is too white. Let's go to the level adjustment layer and make a less white. I think it's good. And let's see before and after. I think it's perfect. This is maybe the most fastest and easiest one to make rain on your images. Of course, have a lot of other methods. Maybe make noise look like a rain or pick up a rainy bush. But this is the fastest and easiest one. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more videos and see you soon.